Understanding zone defense in sports and everyday life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase zone defense. This term is not just limited to sports. It's also used in everyday language to describe strategies in various situations. Let's dive into what it means and how it's applied. Zone defense is a term primarily used in team sports. It refers to a defensive strategy where each player is responsible for covering a specific area or zone of the playing field, instead of marking a particular opponent. This approach contrasts with man-to-man defense, where each player is tasked with guarding a specific member of the opposing team. In sports like basketball, football, soccer, and American football, zone defense is a common tactic. For instance, in basketball, a team might use a 2-to-3 zone defense, where 2 players cover the top of the zone and 3 players cover the bottom area near the basket. This strategy is effective in protecting certain areas of the court and can be particularly useful against teams that rely heavily on inside scoring. Beyond sports, zone defense is used metaphorically in everyday language. It can describe any situation where a group divides responsibilities based on areas or segments. For example, in a workplace, different teams might be responsible for various aspects of a project, much like players covering different zones. Similarly, in family life, parents might divide household responsibilities with a zone defense approach, where each person takes care of specific tasks or areas of the house. I hope this video has helped clarify the concept of zone defense in both sports and everyday life. It's a versatile term that's as useful on the field as it is in our daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your English skills but also enriches your understanding of cultural contexts. See you in the next video.